everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English Show, where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I'm Tom.
And I'm Noah.
So, you ever had one of those weekends where everything goes wrong? You lose something, get stressed, and start talking to yourself like a crazy person?
Oh no, Tom. What happened this time?
Let's just say I had a small disaster. My keys went missing.
Oh boy. Here we go.
But before we start this chaos, if you enjoy learning English with real stories like this, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot and keeps the show going.
Yes, and you'll get new English conversations every week. Fun, simple, and real.
All right, ready? Let's talk about cold keys, lazy cats, and a jungle full of plants. So Saturday morning, I was feeling great. Sunshine, coffee, music on, and then, boom, I couldn't find my keys.
Classic.
I checked the table, no keys. My pockets, nothing. My bag, empty. It's like they disappeared into another dimension.
That's the worst feeling.
I know. I searched for an hour. The kitchen, the bathroom, under the couch. I even looked inside my shoes. At one point, I started blaming the cat I don't even have.
So, where were they?
The fridge.
The fridge?
Yep, right next to the milk. Don't ask me how. I guess I put them there when I came home with groceries. So yeah, my keys spent the night chilling, literally.
Cold keys.
And that's how I started my weekend. Confused, embarrassed, and a little bit frozen.
My weekend was a bit better. I went to visit my family, my mom, dad, and my sister Anna.
That already sounds better than fridge keys.
It was lovely. We cooked lunch together. The kitchen smelled like tomato sauce and garlic, my favorite. We made pasta, lots of cheese on top, and talked for hours.
You had pasta, I had a meltdown. Nice balance.
It was such a cozy day. We laughed, ate too much, and then took a nap on the sofa.
That sounds perfect.
It was. Family days are always the best.
I agree. But let's be honest, pasta makes everything better. Speaking of better, your cat Leo, still the laziest creature on Earth?
Oh, yes. Leo has mastered the art of doing nothing. He sleeps on my bed, my sofa, the chair, everywhere.
I respect that. True professional.
Sometimes I think he dreams about sleeping.
I wish I had a cat, but my apartment's tiny.
Cats don't care. They'll just take your chair and ignore you.
Sounds like my old roommate.
Leo doesn't even open his eyes when I talk to him. I say, "Leo, good morning," and he just keeps snoring.
I envy that level of peace.
I don't have many pets, but I do have plants. A lot of them. My place looks like a mini jungle.
How many are we talking about?
Maybe 20?
That's not a jungle, that's a forest.
I love it. I have tall ones by the window, little ones on the shelf, hanging plants by the door. It's green everywhere.
I'd forget to water them in a week.
I water them every Sunday. It's part of my routine. I make tea, play music, and say hello to each one.
Wait, you talk to your plants?
Maybe. Okay, yes, I do. I say, "You look beautiful today."
And do they reply?
Not yet, but one day, if they start talking, I'm moving out.
Fair enough. My Sunday was boring, but relaxing. I stayed home, watched a funny movie about a talking dog.
Talking dog?
Yeah, it was so silly, but funny. Perfect for a lazy day.
I cleaned my apartment and watered my jungle. I actually enjoy cleaning. It feels good when everything's fresh and quiet after.
I respect that. I usually clean when I can't find something.
Like your keys?
Exactly.
Okay, so what are your plans for next weekend?
If the weather's nice, I'll go to the park, maybe read a book or get ice cream.
That sounds nice. Peaceful.
Yeah, autumn is perfect. Red and yellow trees, a little breeze.
I love that. I'll probably go shopping on Saturday.
Clothes shopping?
Yes. My friend's wedding is next month. I need a new dress.
Any color in mind?
Maybe blue. I love blue. Calm, simple, beautiful.
You can never go wrong with blue.
Thanks, Tom. What about you?
I'll try not to lose anything this time. That's my plan.
Good luck with that. Okay, before we finish, let's quickly review some of the English we used today.
Good idea.
We talked about our weekend using the past tense, words like lost, cooked, watched, and cleaned.
And we used future tense when talking about next weekend, like I will go, I want to buy, I'm going to visit.
See, you can practice English just by telling stories about your real life.
Exactly. That's why we always say, don't just study English, live it. And that's it for today's episode of the Easy English Show.
Thank you all for listening and learning with us.
If you liked today's conversation, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the show grow.
Yes, and tell your friends or family who are learning English to join us too.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Did you cook something delicious? Did you lose your keys like Tom? Or maybe you just relaxed at home?
We love reading your answers, and we might share some of them in the next episode.
So write in English, practice a little, have fun, and be part of the show.
Thanks again for being here.
We'll see you next time for more stories, more laughs, and more easy English.
Bye for now, and remember, check the fridge before you panic.